It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: smartphone wireless charging, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.